So hello guys, my name is Harry and today we are going to learn how to make a temperature converter in Java. So let's get started. I am using my favorite IDE Visual Studio Code and using the same folder I used for creating calculator. So we will create a folder file naming YouTube or anything you want YouTube.java. .java extension is important for creating Java files. Now we will press enter and then it will automatically take public class YouTube, and then we will close this for more clarity. Now we will press enter here and then import Java file, import java dot util dot scanner. We will import scanner for taking input from the user. Error is coming because we have not utilized scanner, means we have not taken any input from the user, it is still not used. Now we will press enter. We will not press enter. Public, or else if you are using Visual Studio Code, you can directly write main. Public static void main strings are. This is an important statement. Now we will take variables. We will take float value for more accurate because we are converting temperature. Float number one, float cal, and then float number two. We will take everything in float. Float number three, float number three, and then we'll press enter and type your system.out.print and then select operation. Select operation. Select operation for conversion. Conversion. Now we will write more south programs. South again, and then we will write here one for Celsius, Celsius, and then again south, and then two to Fahrenheit. 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 And then we'll press Control S and then we will run this program. See this. Now it would come select operation for conversion. Select operation means you have value in Celsius or you have value in Fahrenheit. So save and then we'll continue our program. We'll press enter here and then we will type again out select operation number. Now we have to take a input here from the user. We will take our input. So we will introduce our scanner. Scanner S is equal to new scanner file source system.in. Our source is system.in, and then we are colon and then enter. We will press enter here and then we will write number one. We will take the input in the number one variable s space dot next float and then semicolon. That easy, right? So now I will run the program and show you that it will take input from the user. See now it asked and then select operation number one or two, anything the user can. Now we will write our if else program. If and then this if statement condition. If we have taken the input in the number one, so we have to write a number one only. Number one is equal to one. If user presses one, then what to do? Then the system will print enter Celsius. Celsius. And then Press enter here, and then we have to take input from the user again. Scanner R is equal to new scanner. Again a new scanner. New scanner system source system dot in. Sorry, source system dot in, and then here semicolon, and then press enter, and then we will type here number two is equal to r dot next float, next float, semicolon. Easy. Now we will type the operation here. Cal we have taken here cal float value, and then cal is equal to, now we will write a formula for the conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Number two, the input number. Number two multiplied by 9 divided by 5, and bracket close, plus 32, and then semicolon. Press enter. Now it will print the output. It would print the Fahrenheit value now. This is the formula. Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit value is, give here a space so that the user understands the value, or else it would be close. So user can't understand. Now we will type here plus cal. Plus cal means the system have to attach the value, calculator value that the system has calculated. Now I will show you this program. I will run this. Now if I type here 1, enter Celsius value. Like Celsius value is 32. So the Fahrenheit value is 89.6. You can check it on Google. It is the right value. Now I will press enter here after the bracket, blue bracket. Now I will type here else if condition is number 1 is equal to 2. If the number 1, the user presses 2, out again. Now we will type here enter Fahrenheit value, and then we will press enter again. A new scanner, the scanner A or anything of your choice is equal to new scanner. File source system dot in. It would come wrong because it should be capital. It is case sensitive, and then semicolon, and then we will type here number 3 is equal to a dot next float, and then semicolon, calculator calculator. So now we will write a formula for the conversion of Fahrenheit to Celsius. And number 3 is our input, minus 32, and then outside the bracket multiplied by 5 divided by 9, and then asterisk, semicolon, sorry. And then south again to print the value. Celsius value is, sorry, a semicolon will come. Celsius value is, and then your space again for no confusion, and then plus cal. So now it will give out the calculator value here, and then it will print after the bracket south again. We will type here conversion completed for clarity. Then our program is completed. Let me run it. I will run this, and then select operation. I have showed you of Celsius. Now I will show you of Fahrenheit. Now I will type here 89. So it would be 31.6666666. and then it is printing out conversion completed also. So this that was it for today, guys. Today we learned how to make an a temperature converter in Java that converts temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. Thank you.